In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring events in Google Calendar. This is a great way to keep track of regular appointments or reminders, ensuring you're always organized and on top of your schedule. Let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and typing in google.com. Once you're on the main Google page, direct your attention to the upper right corner. You'll see an icon that looks like a square constructed from smaller squares. This icon represents the Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click on it to uncover a selection of Google services. You'll need to locate the Calendar app among these options since this is where we'll be crafting our recurring event. Spot the Calendar icon and click on it to launch Google Calendar. For those new to Google Calendar, it's an excellent tool for organizing your daily activities and maintaining a structured schedule. With your calendar now open, search for the Create button, which is typically found towards the left side of the interface. By selecting this, you'll be prompted with a new event window. Within this window, you'll see a choice labeled Event. Click on this to commence setting up your new event. At this point, it's time to give your event a meaningful title. Opt for something descriptive so that you'll easily recognize what this event is about later on. For instance, if it's a meeting, you might opt to call it Team Meeting or Client Check-in. Now that a title is in place, it's essential to set the date and time for your event. Google Calendar has a user-friendly interface that lets you click directly on the date and time fields to enter your chosen schedule. Always ensure you're selecting the appropriate time zone, especially if you have participants joining from various regions across the globe. After setting the initial date and time, you'll see a button that typically reads Does Not Repeat. Click on this button because here is where we'll configure the recurring nature of your event. A drop-down menu will appear showcasing several repeating options. We'll be selecting Custom to detail our specific schedule needs. Within the custom settings, adjust the repeat frequency to every 2 weeks. This feature comes in handy for managing bi-weekly meetings or commitments. Simply input the desired repeat interval, double-check all your details, and press Done to confirm these settings. Finally, with everything in place, the last step is to save your creation. Look for the Save button, generally positioned at the top of your event window. Then click it to secure your changes. And just like that, you have a recurring event set to repeat every 2 weeks, automatically keeping you on track. You can always revisit and modify any event details if your schedule changes. Google Calendar makes it easy to tweak dates, times, and repeating patterns. Stay organized and make the most of your time by leveraging these powerful tools at your fingertips. Thank you for following along and happy scheduling.